Let's do this together. Add the videos you want to use to CapCut. Add audio. Add a keyframe before the deep beat. Add another keyframe to the point the beat came and zoom. Add another keyframe to each spot the bass beat comes in. Continue doing this till the end. Rotate the video on this keyframe. Pay attention to all I'm doing, so your video will go viral. Rotate the second clip as well. And adjust until there's a perfect transition between the both clips. Now continue adding keyframe to every beat, and move your video to match the beat. After that, add effect to spice everything up. Feel free to play with it, using whichever that suits your video best. Ready for the result? Drop your comment on the comment section.